fix. Can't hear the sound of incoming calls in Android while on phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now for this issue to be solved, what you can do is just go to the settings of your device and after that scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps and you can just scroll down and find the application of phone on your device. So I'm just gonna scroll and I'm gonna go for phone. Now tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on clear cache, and if you're comfortable you can also go for clear all data. After that, tap on the app permissions and make sure that you have given access to your call logs, your contacts, your microphone and your phone, because these are very important for you to hear the sound of incoming calls in the Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.